how's it going? It's been a while since the last video. As you can tell, we pulled the Delsol's motor. I was burning a lot of oil. My rings, these are all my old rings, but they were pretty far off the usual spec, so I was having a lot of oil go through and I was burning. I had to add quite a lot quite frequently. We have everything off. I have a whole pile over that way behind me, and yeah, I tried to clean the engine a little bit. I'm not done with it. It was really gross. I already have piston rings and then the water pump. I have more stuff on the way. I was also leaking really bad. That's really bad. So I have a new oil pump on the way. Pretty much knew everything I can do without being too much of a pain. I was leaking a little bit. I'll show you the head gasket. Here's my head. The valves are, yeah, they're cooked. I shouldn't have touched that. But yeah, head gasket wasn't too bad. I don't think that was a problem that much. For this, I'm also using this as an excuse to do a mini-me build. So I'm gonna be getting a VTEC head, a D16 Z6 hopefully, and I'm gonna be slapping that on there. Everything looks pretty fine. I'm pretty sure the dude that owned this before me redid all the bearings and stuff. They all look, there's a little wear, but it's not too bad to where I'm concerned. Just have to clean the engine more, get it all nice and pretty. Have a bunch of gunk everywhere, but yeah. I will keep you guys updated, and thanks for watching.